Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation Physics. I am Dr. Chen. Today we are moving to chapter 2, which is a math review. Now I know this might not be same as exciting as jumping straight into aerodynamics, but the concepts we cover today, algebra, trigonometry, and vectors, as absolute foundation for everything we will do in this course. There are tools were used to describe, predict, and understand the physics of flight. And as always, go Dolphins. So we start with algebra. And let's start with scientific notations. In physics and aviation, we often deal with very large or very small numbers, from the mass of an aircraft to the wavelength of a radio signal. Scientific notations in the form of a number times 10 to the power of something is a convenient way to write these numbers and keep track of their precisions. A perfect example is the speed of light, which is a tidy 3.00 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. To make these large and small numbers even easier to talk about, we use prefixes. They are already familiar with some of these, like kilo for 1,000, but we'll also use mega for meaning, giga for billion, and on small side, mini for 1,000th or micro for 1 millionth. This table shows the most common prefixes we'll be using. Next is a quadratic formula. This might seem a bit random, but I promise it will come in handy later when we solve problems involving projectile motion and flight paths, where time can sometimes be squared. For any equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, this formula gives us the solution for x. For now, just refamiliarize yourself with it. We will put it into use in a few chapters. We will also use some basic geometric formulas throughout the course. We will need the area of a rectangle when we talk about the pressure, and the area of a circle for things like calculating one area. The volume of a sphere may be used to approximate the volume of a large fuel tank. These are straightforward, but they're essential tool to have already.